feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like mine.
In today's video, I will be swatching the polishes that I received from Twinkled T during their Memorial Day sale, and also all of my other Twinkled T polishes that I already had. I figure I can make this video a nice reference point for people. So this box right here is their newer box, their new design. If you buy 6 polishes from them, then you do get a box like this. It is a sturdy cardboard box. You can take out the insert and it's very cushiony. You can use the box to put whatever you want in it. I do repurpose my boxes because they are pretty good quality, but you need to buy at least 6 polishes to get the box. This right here is their older box. It's the same thing on the inside, but this box is black and the top says Polish Baby instead of Gel Baby. I keep all of my stickers in here for when I send people things. I just like to add a little stickers in the package. But yeah, I really like the redesign of the box. This box is really nice. So in addition to getting those 6 polishes that came in that box, I also got 3 other polishes. So because it was just 3, they each come in their own separate box. So I got their base coat, which is a rubber base, and then 2 other colors. And then I got a collection, the Vivids collection, which was in the box. They actually do have an entire collection of rubber bases, but I don't have any, so I just have this clear base coat, and that is a rubber base, as I said. So I'm going to be using this swatch round, and I just put Twinkled T on it. All of the polishes will fit onto here. First thing I'm going to do is swatch all of the polishes that I already had from them, and you can see that I did swatch them previously when I first got them. So if you follow me on TikTok, then you've already seen these. I got these polishes months ago. I might have got them during Black Friday actually. So I'm going to swatch those first, and everything will be 1 coat. So this is the base coat. I do not swatch the base coat. I'm just showing you the thickness of it. It is a pretty thick base coat because it is a rubber base, and the colors I have on my nails today are also Twinkled T. And I did use this rubber base as the base coat for my nails. So I'm just going to swatch all of these colors. Everything is going to be 1 coat, and then I'll go ahead and cure it. I'll show you each and every one up close. Let me know which color is your favorite, and also let me know, have you tried this brand out before? Do you like them? They have pretty big bottles, and the prices are really reasonable. I usually buy them when there's some kind of sale, so I usually get them for less than $10 a bottle. They're normally priced more than $10 a bottle, but shop sales, and you can get them at a great deal. And like I said, if you buy 6 or more, then you get the cute little box, which you can keep because it is really sturdy.
High volume, high volume, high volume.
Sometimes I look around for someone who might understand it. Seen it in their eyes that they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience, and now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Hate the way they painted. Love the way that you walk in the between my fantasy and what is real. I need it when I want it. I want it when I don't. Tell myself I'll stop every day, knowing that I won't. I got a problem and even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taken by the thought of it, and I know this much is true, baby. You have become my addiction. I'm so strung out on you, I can barely move, but I like it. And it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because of you. And it's all because I'll never get enough. She's the sweetest stuff. Think of it every second. I can't get nothing done. Only concern is the next time I'm gonna get me some. No, I should stay away from, 'cause it's no good for me. I try and try, but my obsession won't let me leave. I got a problem tonight. Ooh, even if I did, I don't know if I would quit, but I doubt it. I'm taken by the thought of it, and I know this much is true, baby. You have become.
Let me know what you think of this brand, if you've ever tried it before. If not, are you interested? Which is your favorite color of the ones that I swatched? I do want to try some more of her colors. She has some way like brighter colors, and I would love to try those out. You can buy her stuff off TikTok Shop or off her website and Amazon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.